Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Southern Fried Tech. And this is just a quick update video this week. Um, you may remember from last week's video I mentioned that I was getting a new motherboard for this Macbook Retina 13-inch. You can see from this pretty little PowerPoint slide. Well, got the board, and I'll see if I can send some pictures here, but it ended up with some pretty noticeable water damage. And looking at the guy's eBay history, I can see that one or two other people had the same complaints. And this guy is kind of a jerk. His response is, well, it works, right? And it was cheap, so stop complaining. So, based on the fact that I wasn't really sure if this was gonna work or not, I actually turned the camera off and just kind of quickly put it in here so I could start testing this thing for the past week and a half or so. And it's been okay. It did start shutting off at one point, but I guess I was using some like really old thermal paste just to make sure it powered on. And then I ordered some Artec MX4 here. It's been pretty cool. It stayed relatively cool. It did warm up. So I started trying to play some Bloons Tower Defense on here just to try it out, but I mean it did okay. So far everything seems to work just fine. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, checked all the ports, checked the keyboard. Keyboard's a little dirty, but if this keyboard ends up dying on, if the motherboard ends up dying on me, then it's not really worth fixing. But here's the old board we can take a look at. This small little thing right here. Got your Thunderbolt, your USB, your headphone, and nothing really special on the back. So if you want to see a motherboard, there you go. And unfortunately, as I installed this, it would have been a cool video to pop in, like to show you guys how to do it. I'm gonna wait for the warranty month to go by. If this thing survives, then I'll take it apart and show you guys how this is installed. I'll make a more professional video. But in the meantime, just want to give you guys a heads up. But anyway, yeah. I mean, it's been, like I said, it's been working fine. I've been testing it. You know, even got this upgraded to macOS Catalina, right? So, yeah. Anyway, that's I'll take it for tonight's quick video. I'll make sure to provide some better videos for you guys. Like I said, but this week I just want to give you a quick update on this thing. It was not a fun experience as I hoped. You have the risk that you take with shopping on eBay and whatnot. You never really know what you're gonna get. And then yeah, you do have some sellers that are legitimately honest, and they know what they're doing. They're good people. But then you have people like this, which are, yeah, they're selling you something for a good price, but honestly, and on the long term, I don't know how good this board could be. With water damage, it could last forever, basically the life of the unit, or it could die tomorrow. So that's something you want to be careful with. But lesson learned, I guess. Try to save $50, and here I am, a little nervous with this thing, but anyway, like I said, I want to give you guys a quick update on this thing, and I'm pretty disappointed. So as always, quick video this week, nothing fancy. As always, leave a comment, like, subscribe. It helps out the channel. Thanks guys, and take care.